In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Odoo CRM. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Odoo dashboard. This is where all the magic starts. If you're not sure where your dashboard is located, simply log into your Odoo account. You'll arrive at a clean interface that shows you the various applications available. From here, you can easily access the Contacts app. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to the Contacts app. Click on the Contacts option. This will take you to a page where you can view all your existing customer contacts. It's a straightforward layout, so you should have no trouble finding your contacts listed there. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as it will make the next steps easier. Now, here's where it gets a bit technical. Look towards the top left corner of your Contacts app. Do you see a small gear icon? This gear icon is your tool for settings and options within the app. Click on it, and it will open up a drop-down menu featuring various options. From this menu, you want to select the option that says Export. This is your ticket to getting those contacts out of Odoo. Once you click Export, a new window will pop up, allowing you to choose which fields you want to include in your export file. Odoo will typically allow you to export a variety of fields, such as names, email addresses, phone numbers, and more. Choose the fields that are relevant to your needs. If you want the full details for all your customers, select Everything. If you only need names and emails, then just choose those fields. Once you've made your selections, it's time to move on. After you've configured your export preferences, you'll see an option to confirm the export. Click on this, and your contact export will be processed. The system will then compile all the data based on your selections, and soon enough, you'll have your exported contacts in a file ready for use. At this stage, take a moment to breathe. Waiting for the export can feel a little suspenseful, but don't worry. Odoo is designed to handle these processes smoothly. Once the export is completed, you should see a download window pop up, prompting you to save the file to your computer. Choose your preferred location to save it, give it a recognizable name, and hit save. And that's it. Your contact export is done, and you now have access to your contacts outside of Odoo CRM. You can use this file for various purposes, whether it's for email marketing, moving to a different CRM, or maintaining records. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in navigating Odoo CRM to export your contacts easily. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Happy exporting!